Well-maintained 2-bed/2-bath condo with fabulous patio and beautifully landscaped yard in quiet neighborhood close to the country club. New luxury vinyl plank flooring just installed throughout main living area. Kitchen with solar tube has newer countertops, swan stone sink, tiled backsplash, included barstools, plus a brand new stove and refrigerator. Finished lower has large, yet cozy, family room with built-in electric fireplace, wet bar, a full bath with walk-in shower, and a spacious laundry area with included washer/dryer, sink and folding counter. This is the one you have been waiting for.